Okay, we're going to see if the little free MTD is going to drive. The engine's all back together. I got a boost. I do got the original battery back in it so the cables aren't floating around. I'm going to get on, start it up, and we'll see what happens. No idea what that sound is. Well, that's okay. That's the Very Drive. I'm definitely not used to these machines with the Very Drive. These are definitely a lot faster than Craftsman's or hydrostatics. It's been quite a while since I've driven one of these machines with a Very Drive. It basically took off like a bolt of lightning, and even in reverse, it took off like a bolt of lightning. But reverse seems to be fine. Forward definitely is fine. It smoked at first, but then the smoke did go away. So I might try and bring it up to operating temperature and see what happens. And it's definitely idling high. I gotta try and get that idle down a bit, and we'll go from there. But let's see if we got anything. No, not really. But that means I'm pretty sure the charging system might be working. But that big deep cycle battery definitely has something to do with that. That battery puts a lot of power into any battery it's connected to. But hey, the free MTD overall doesn't seem to be too bad. The deck I know is good. Just got to get everything else figured out on it. The throttle choke and why is it idling so high? I'm pretty sure that's just the adjustment on the carburetor. Really, I kind of wish I would have used this carburetor on that little rear engine machine I did a while back. But I'm happy I bought a new carburetor for that one. And I got a good carburetor on this one. So I guess that's pretty much it. I'm surprised this carburetor actually worked. It was sitting in one of my cupboards out in the country on our other storage lot for about 6 months in the rain and stuff like that. And it was perfectly fine inside. So, free MTD, runs, drives, needs a bit more work, but hopefully will turn out to be a halfway decent machine. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please drop a comment, and don't get your antlers stuck in your steering wheel. Bye for now.